Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson. In this video, we will recap last week's stock market action and discuss our game plan for the coming week. But first, last week was certainly a busy one for our members. We profiled 4 companies, all of which made decent moves to the upside. Some have pulled back, but not before making acceptable percentage moves into the green. We have a few companies on our radar that we are excited to put in front of you for this upcoming week. First on the list is CAUD. This is another company that we have yet to take a look at. On FinViz, you will see the float is just 2.98 million shares. 5.57% of the float is short, and insiders own 77% of the company. The stock is trading just under $1 and rising off the 52-week low of 71 cents. Collective Audience is a US-based provider of e-commerce and digital customer acquisition solutions that simplifies digital advertising. It provides data-driven end-to-end marketing through its results solutions or access to data for activating campaigns across multiple channels. The company's digital marketing business includes a holistic self-serve ad tech platform, a proprietary AI-powered system that enables brands and agencies to advertise across thousands of leading digital media and connected TV platforms. Collective Audience is addressing this opportunity by launching an open and interconnected digital advertising and media ecosystem designed to eliminate the many inefficiencies in the digital ad buyer and seller process for brands, agencies, and publishers. The latest news from the company is the acquisition of BOP. BOP brings to Collective Audience a cloud-based modular platform. It is the industry's first software-as-a-service services and marketplace-based AI-powered performance, advertising, and data platform for media and brands. BOP is revolutionizing the advertising landscape with its innovative technology tailored for new digital media and advertising market KPIs such as attention measurement, engagement rate, attribution, and time spent. The platform offers a self-serve interface and APIs that enable it to be integrated into any environment. BOP's conversational ad units powered by AI and dynamic ad creatives captivate users' attention. This approach ensures unmatched conversion rates in the retail media domain. With BOP, every interaction becomes a sales opportunity. BOP is already integrated with the leading data management platforms in the market. This integration positions Collective Audience at the forefront, offering the unique ability to create exclusive zero and first-party segments for media. Empowering publishers for the first time with their data, these functionalities will soon be extended to advertisers, opening up new targeting and customization possibilities. With the disappearance of third-party cookies that have been the industry's primary targeting mechanism, BOP is positioned as an independent cookieless solution. Its comprehensive suite of tools for audiences, data, and monetization offers the open web market a powerful solution to address current and future challenges. The combination of Collective Audience and BOP represents the future of digital advertising. Bottom line, guys, BOP and Collective Audience, the merger targets the issue with the cookies. You know, every time you opt into the app, it's asking not to track. Everybody going after these third-party cookies. Well, they have a solution for advertisers to get around that, and then they can do better targeting. So this is indeed a big deal, and why we one of the reasons we're presenting the company to your attention. To read our full report on CAUD, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Well, guys, the S&P 500 retreated 0.13% for the week to end at 5,116.95 on Friday, posting losses in 4 out of 5 sessions. The benchmark index logged its second straight weekly loss, though the fall continued to be mostly marginal. Wall Street got a bit of a reality check this week in the form of hotter than expected consumer and producer inflation data, along with retail sales reading that pointed to moderation in consumer spending. Market participants reacted to the data by dialing back their interest rate cut expectations. The Fed will likely not be too thrilled about inflation's sticky nature, and the focus is now squarely on the central bank's second monetary policy decision of the year next Wednesday, along with its updated dot plot of rate and economic projections. On Tuesday, headline CPI came in at 0.4% month over month for February, its most significant increase since September of last year. Core CPI also came in at plus 0.4%, higher than the estimated figure of 0.3%. However, traders took the report in stride, and it ultimately did not significantly affect rate cut expectations. But the PPI report on Thursday, along with retail sales data, proved to be too much to brush off. Headline PPI surged 0.6% in February, significantly higher than the consensus of 0.3%. Core PPI came in at plus 0.3% versus an estimate of plus 0.2%. Meanwhile, retail sales advanced 0.6% month over month in February to $700.7 billion. Still, the increase was lower than the anticipated rise of plus 0.8%, suggesting that perhaps the consumer was not as healthy as expected. The spotlight is now on Fed Chair Jerome Powell and the central bank's updated dot plot, which will be released along with its monetary policy decision next week. Markets widely anticipate that the Fed will hold rates steady, but the question now is how many rate cuts will potentially happen this year. At the beginning of 2024, investors had priced in 7 rate cuts, but that is now down to only 3. While economic data and monetary policy dominated most of last week's headlines, a few notable companies also reported earnings. Oracle stock surged as the cloud software giant impressed Wall Street with its quarterly results and big cloud contract signings spurred by demand for artificial intelligence. Conversely, discount store chain Dollar Tree had a disappointing quarterly performance, while Dollar General's top boss suggested that consumers were still weighed down by inflation. For this week on Monday at 4 p.m. on Monday, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang will present the keynote at GTC 2024. On Tuesday, all day, NVIDIA will hold its annual GTC conference at the San Jose Convention Center over a 4-day period. CEO Jensen Huang will unveil the company's latest breakthroughs in accelerated computing, generative AI, and robotics. On Wednesday, it's Fed Day, and we get the Jay Powell press conference at 2:30 p.m. Thursday, earnings season is going to start kicking off again. Notable companies due to report include Nike, FedEx, Accenture, Lululemon, and Darden Restaurants. FedEx is closely watched. The Fed even watches that. That is very telling state of the overall global economy. Reddit will start trading on Thursday after its IPO. The symbol will be RDDT. At 8:30 a.m., Philly Fed Business Outlook and Initial Continuing Claims. 9:45 a.m., PMI Manufacturing, PMI Services, and PMI Composite. And then at 10 a.m., February Existing Home Sales. On Friday, 10 a.m., Digital World, DWAC. Shareholders will vote on the plan to combine with Trump Media and Technology, the parent company of former President Donald Trump's True Social platform. In terms of stocks making news, Veri, V-E-R-I, the microcap technology stock, reported a wider than expected loss last week, but revenues topped estimates. The company also launched AI-powered IDEMS for public safety and judicial agency, which investors believe could be a significant revenue driver. The stock was up 73% for the week. MSOS is the Advisor shares trusted Pure U.S. Cannabis ETF. Those stocks ran on Friday after Vice President Kamala Harris urged the DEA to immediately reschedule cannabis to a lower risk category, indicating the U.S. government's latest attempt to back the move. During a meeting with cannabis pardon recipients at the White House on Friday, Harris said it was absurd and patently unfair that cannabis is classified in the Schedule I category alongside heroin under the Controlled Substances Act. She said, "I cannot emphasize enough that they need to get to it as quickly as possible. This issue is stark when one considers the fact that on the schedule currently, marijuana is considered as dangerous as heroin. Marijuana is considered as dangerous as heroin and more dangerous than fentanyl," she said, adding, "which is absurd, not to mention patently unfair." In my last video, I covered GERN and CDLX. Both were up big on Friday. The top small caps, GERN, CDLX, is here on InsiderFinancial.com. Both were up big. GERN up 92%, CDLX up 77%. Congrats to all who watched and banked. PAYS, I talked about the insider buying, closed up 7% on Friday. Three stocks that I highlighted last weekend all had a good week. CXAI was up 54% for the week. SoundHound AI, SOUN, was up 52% for the week. And MicroStrategy was up 25% for the week. But Bitcoin is down this weekend, so we'll see some profit taking to start the week unless Bitcoin rallies back above 70,000 before trading starts on Monday. And then, of course, I will also be scanning pre-market. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. But the main focus for Monday is CAUD. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red, where you're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding a momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at Insider Financial. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on CAUD. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion, meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.